Hi, I'm Marty with Isaac's Pools and Spas here in Johnson City, Tennessee. On average, liners last 8 to 12 years. Over time, they can become brittle, tear, causing potential leaks. Let's take a quick look at the process of changing a liner. Your skimmer has gaskets to ensure a no-leak seal between the skimmer and the faceplate. At Isaac's Pools and Spas, we use 2 gaskets, one behind the liner and one behind the faceplate to ensure a long-lasting seal. Your main drain also gets 2 gaskets when it is replaced to ensure no leak seal. The old gasket is scraped and the main drain inspected before adding new gaskets. Over time, the bottom of your pool floor may become uneven. Before installing the new liner, we carefully touch up and remove imperfections like footprints. Before proceeding with the liner replacement, we conduct pressure testing for the plumbing to ensure there are no leaks in your pool's plumbing system. Once the old liner is removed, if your pool doesn't have foam on the walls, we can install it as an option. If the walls has excessive rust, it may be necessary to add foam if the walls cannot be scraped and primed. Over time, pool liners can sweat, causing the wall to rust. The foam helps prevent rust. Your pool light may be leaking or no longer working. While we're replacing your liner, we can fix the leak, replace the light, or as many customers opt to have the light covered as they no longer use it. We specialize in liner replacements with unique steps. In my 35 years of experience installing pool liners, I have learned that it requires great attention to detail and precise measurements to make a liner fit properly over pool steps. Here at Isaac's Pools and Spas, we take the time to ensure proper liner fit over all types of steps without wrinkles, which helps extend the life of your liner. As we install the new liner, we ensure all sides are properly tucked in behind the coping. After it's tucked in, we use a liner vacuum to pull the liner into place. Then we carefully reinstall the step trim to ensure a proper seal. To ensure the new liner fits your unique pool, we custom measure each pool. A proper liner fit means no wrinkles, extending the life of your liner. Now that the liner is in, the final steps are to put the faceplates on, remove the vacuum, and fill the pool up. If it's time to replace your vinyl pool liner, give the experienced pool and spa professionals a call today. It is our goal to install a liner that fits properly, will last a long time, so you can get the most enjoyment out of your backyard paradise.